Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Bioderma Purifying Cleansing Foaming Gel. So it comes in three different variants, in 45 ml, 100 ml and 200 ml. The 45 ml one cost 375 rupees, 100 ml one cost 840 rupees and the 200 ml one cost 1575 rupees. They say this product is suitable for combination to oily skin. The packaging of this product is very simple. It comes in this transparent flip open tube packaging. The 200 ml bottle comes in a pump packaging. This face wash has a very runny gel based texture. It foams and lathers very less because it has very gentle surfactants. It's a very non-drying formula. This is the complete ingredient list of this face wash. These are all of the surfactants that they have added in this product. These are all of the moisturizing ingredients. These are all of the viscosity controlling ingredients. The preservative used is potassium sorbate. It has a surfactant which is sodium laureth sulfate, which is a mild form of a surfactant. It contains fragrance as a last ingredient in this face wash. The overall ingredient list is very good. There is no ingredient that could irritate or sensitize even the most sensitive skin. Bioderma is a very reputed and known brand the world over. Their products and ingredients are formulated for the most sensitive skin type people. So this one product as well contains good ingredients, and none of the ingredients are something that could irritate or sensitize any skin type. When I read the claims of this particular product, it's very basic and simple. So I'll quickly read out the claims that they have made for this product. They say it gently cleanses and purifies, limits sebum secretion, keeps pores from becoming clogged, guarantees good skin and eye tolerance, scented formula, non-comedogenic, non-drying, soap-free. Now this face wash is actually very mild and gentle. It contains very mild surfactants. It doesn't lather much like other face washes, but it is very gentle on the skin. It contains zinc, which helps in healing up of any existing acne, and it also helps in controlling of sebum production. So like they said, it has mild and gentle surfactants. I like that. In spite of that, it cleanses very well. It cleanses the pores very effectively. A lot of face washes, if they get in the eye at all, it starts stinging very badly. But this particular product, even if it gets in the eye by chance, it does not sting at all. The formula is so gentle and so mild, and that is what I like about this product. It has a very non-drying formula. It is very well pH balanced. It is non-stripping, and it is very mild and gentle. Even after using the face wash, it doesn't dry out the skin at all. And it also and it is true that it also does not have any comedogenic ingredient. I don't have much to talk about this face wash. Whatever they have claimed, the product does fulfill, so there's not much to speak about it. It's a great product overall. It's a bit expensive because obviously it's a French skincare brand, but if nothing else works for you in skincare, if no face wash, no moisturizer works for you, you should give Bioderma a try, because most of the people who have extremely sensitive skin, and when they said that none of the products, none of the other brands suited their skin, I suggested them Bioderma, and that worked very well for them. So if that is the case, you should give this a try. Actually formulated for sensitive skin people. In the usage instruction, they have said that you can also use it as a foaming gel, as a for shaving, and you can use it as a body wash and face wash. So it is correct, you can use it in multiple ways, but it doesn't foam up that much. It doesn't lather, so you can use it for shaving the face and all, and you can use it as a body wash as well. In terms of negative aspect, the only thing is I did not like the fragrance that much, though it is very mild, but it doesn't smell that great. But that also is very subjective. Some people might like it, so I'm not going to say that this is actually a negative point. Overall, this is a great product, and I would highly recommend this, especially for people with extremely oily and acne prone skin. So that is all from my today's review. I hope you liked and found it to be helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such skincare reviews, and there's a lot more coming up. Please stay tuned and please stay subscribed so that you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And you can find a lot of interesting videos which I've already uploaded, so go check out my description. And that's all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.